To begin, start with a clear plastic water bottle on a tray with some paper towel for easy cleanup. The first step is to put some food coloring into your bottle. You should use at least 10 drops to get a vibrant color, but you can use more or less. Next step is to take your dish soap and pour that into the bottle. I used about 1 tablespoon and then swirled it around with the food coloring to mix it well. Next, you want to prepare your yeast and water mixture. First, take a small cup and your package of yeast. Open up your package of yeast, which should be about 1 to 2 tablespoons of yeast, and slowly pour that into the cup. Next, take some warm water and take about 3 tablespoons and pour that on top. Now you're going to want to take a metal spoon and stir this for 30 seconds to make sure all of the yeast is incorporated into the water. But this will ensure a stronger reaction later on. Next, you're going to put your hydrogen peroxide into the bottle with the soap and the food coloring. You're going to pour about 1/2 cup of hydrogen peroxide into a measuring cup and then into the bottle. In this experiment, I used hydrogen peroxide with a volume of 10 and a percentage of 3, but if you want a bigger explosion, you can use a stronger hydrogen peroxide that you can get from a beauty store. Again, give this a little swirl just to make sure everything is mixed together. Finally, the best part, take your yeast mixture and slowly pour it into the bottle. The yeast acted as a catalyst to remove the oxygen from the hydrogen peroxide. Peroxide breaks down into oxygen and water, and the smaller particles quickly escape the container. When a chemical that is made up of only one molecule breaks down into smaller molecules, a decomposition reaction occurs. This decomposition reaction is an exothermic reaction, meaning that it gives off heat. If you carefully hold your hand over the foam or feel the sides of the bottle, you will feel warmth.